Hello, we discuss about this trickling filter. Myself, Professor Kamthane DC from the Department of Microbiology, Shri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. This trickling filter is having a specially designed bed, and the bed it is constructed from the crushed stones, gravel, slag or the synthetic material, and on this bed the sewage in liquid form slowly trickles. There is a rotating pipe having the nozzles. The liquid from the aeration tank is spread over the surface of the bed through this rotating pipe. The intermittent application of sewage avoids the blockage and permits the maintenance of aerobic conditions in bed. There is formation of a thin film of microflora called as zooglobule film on the top of this trickling filter. This film having the various types of actively growing microorganisms including bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. The sewage drops through these nozzles of the rotating pipe over the surface of the bed, and the microorganisms absorb and metabolize the organic compounds which are complex one to the simple stable products. The formation of the zooglobule film is a good example of continuous stationary culture, and the cells are in exponential phase of growth, and the cells are metabolically very active one. This is because the microorganisms present on the bed, these are continuously supplied with the nutrients from the sewage and producing the stable products, and these are removed. The treated sewage containing stable metabolic products of microbial activities and are released through the drains present at the bottom of this filter bed. These trickling filters reduce the suspended solids up to 80%. This upper portion of this trickling filter, it is favorable for the growth of algae, and these may sometimes impair the operation of the filter. Many species of protozoa and fungi are also active, and this growth it is influenced by the availability of this oxygen and organic compounds. This trickling filter having the heterogeneous environment in which the various types of the microorganisms showing the various interactions. The zooglobule film in some cases is removed and it is inoculated on the bed of this newly designed trickling filter, and this inoculation this reduces the time of the newly formed trickling filter, that is the conversion of this complex organic matter to the simple inorganic form by the microorganism. It is acting in a short time on this newly designed trickling filter. Thank you for your listening.